Let's go through the basic components of a TIG welding system. First thing, starting from the back of the machine, working your way toward the workpiece, what we like to call the checklist here at the ARC Academy. Your shield gas, and as you can see, it's a very familiar regulator system, not unlike the ones used in MIG welding. Going forward, we have our power supply. Today, we are going to be using the Diversion 180. It's the one we like to use here at the ARC Academy to develop TIG skills. The next thing we have is your torch. The torch is actually going to control your arc and control the weld moving through your weld. Then the pedal. The pedal is going to be the controller that we are going to use to control the arc's intensity. Now, there also is a thumb control on some machines that will allow you to not use a pedal. You can actually use the controller on the torch itself. Today we are going to be using a remote pedal. And then of course, your work clamp. Your work clamp is what's going to be connected to your material or your work table to complete the circuit for your arc. Now, we're going to go through each and every one of these individually.